not every stock is going to go down equally with the market. So as the market corrects, you're going to see other stocks that are rising. And so you're looking for kind of that rotation in the market. Look for opportunities to rebalance risk in your portfolios. With that said, here's what you need to know before the bell this morning. We broke the 50-day moving average. Certainly says we're in the process of a correction. We're on a very clear MACD sell signal, so very defined sell signal. Markets are declining here. We are oversold here, so I would expect a bounce. Futures are up today, this morning. We saw that the other day and then they failed. But again, we are oversold enough now for at least a bit of a counter trend rally. That should take you back to the 50-day moving average. That is where, at the 50-day, lighten up some positions if you need to, do a little rebalancing in your portfolio if you need to. Again, doesn't necessarily mean that you need to just cut weight in general. There's a lot of stocks that have had fairly big declines as of late. You know, Apple's a good, I'm just going to pick Apple's because it's the first one on my list, but Apple's had a fairly big decline here. It's getting pretty oversold at the moment, sitting on support. So again, pick where you cut critically as you make those decisions. Just don't kind of sell across the board. And again, I'm not making a recommendation here, but you may want to sell something that has had a huge run, is extremely extended and overbought, and then maybe you look at for a stock that is oversold a bit and sitting on support and has already had a correction, a decent correction of 10% or so in the market. So again, not recommending Apple, but I'm just saying, that's, kind of look for that in your portfolio and do some rotational rebalancing in your portfolio, because it's not every stock is going to go down equally with the market. So as the market corrects, you're going to see other stocks that are rising. And so you're looking for kind of that rotation in the markets. Look for opportunities to rebalance risk in your portfolio. So it doesn't necessarily mean when we talk about the market in general and start talking about a correctional process that may take us down to the 100-day moving average around 4,900 on the S&P. So that's about a decent 5, 6, 7, 8% correction here from where we are now. That gives you an opportunity to kind of rebalance risk. So again, it's not just a blanket sell everything, but look for opportunities in your portfolio to rebalance risk. And again, maybe pick up an opportunity in something that's already been heavily sold off. Because that's the whole point of investing, is trying to find discounts where you can find them. And again, just kind of be selective about when and how you sell. That's what you need to know before the bell this morning.